So this dress is from dimesmillionboutique.com. Okay? So go over and support Dimes, Queen Dimes. All right? I'm going to show you a full video of the dress. Okay, so let's show you a full picture of a video of the dress from dimesmillionboutique.com. Yes, this dress catch me all the way. I don't have my shoes on, guys, but it catch me all the way. I love it because I have a little stomach in front of me here, and it get to cover it up so nobody won't see it. Actually, I don't, but it looks pretty nice. I can't wear it because I did a surgery on my arm, but yeah, it's really, I really love the dress. Very comfortable, not showing up my little tummy. Yeah, I have my little tummy and I don't have to wear any girdle to tuck it in, so I can feel free and breathe in it. Okay, it's not that sucked on. So yeah, and here's the back. So yep, it's cute. I love it. dimesmillionboutique.com.